Alright guys, today I'm Brandy, this is Heidi. We're going to install our retractable shower door in our bus that we got from RecPro. So I'll show it to you. Here's the bathroom shower with the subway tile and the little shower pan. We just got finished installing that. This is the retractable door. And it pulls out just like this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the one piece here, which will have the door. Then there will be a piece on the other side that connects to it. And let's get to work. We took some alcohol, just 70% rubbing alcohol, and a paper towel, and cleaned this subway tile real good. And just come in and clean the surface really well. All the way down to the bottom, so that way that the 3M tape that's provided on this has something to stick to. And just come in and clean the surface really well. This is just a vinyl piece that we got from RecPro. It's not actual subway tile, it's just a piece of vinyl, so it's really great. We love it. Cleaned that with alcohol, and then this is one of the panels that gets installed, and it's got two-sided tape on it. For added security, because of being in a bus and moving around so much, we went ahead and just put these screws, and we have like 3 of them, just holding it in place for added security. So the next step for us is going to be to install this portion of it, and then we'll connect the bottom and the top piece, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, next up is cutting the top piece, which is going to be this piece right here. We held it up, marked it off right there, and that's where we have to cut it to shorten it up so that it'll fit across the top. So here we go. Okay guys, so now the next phase, as you can see, we've got this piece on, we've got this piece on with the retractable door. The only thing that had to be cut was this right here, top and bottom framework, like that, and then opens like that. All in all, pretty decent to be able to not have to worry about a shower curtain or anything like that flapping around. The job itself was fairly easy. The only thing extra that we did was we did add these screws, like I was saying, and we did 3 of them. The one thing that we like about this shower versus some of the other competitors for the doors that we looked at for retractable doors, some of them don't have a spot where you can anchor this side here because it's too bulky. You can't get in there. But with this particular one, they gave us anchor points right there, so we were able to get a screw there and down there in the bottom. So we were able to get screws in there to where that's nice and secure as well. So we did like that feature of it. Super simple, 2 cuts just to get your, closure sized up, and that's it. So yesterday we got our Moen shower faucet hooked up with our wand, and then we have some Simple Human shampoo and conditioner, and then just an extra little shelf that we added. So pretty excited to finally have a shower completely set up, minus the trimming out around the top. We still like that, and then opens like that. All in all, pretty decent to be able to not have to worry about a shower curtain or anything like that flapping around. The job itself